Welcome to Dream on Wheels, where we explore campervans that are designed to make travel simpler, more practical, and more enjoyable for real-life use. And today, we're taking a closer look at a campervan that takes that idea and adapts it for something even more important. Traveling with family, introducing the Adria Twin 600 SPT family, a campervan that isn't just about mobility, but about making shared travel comfortable, efficient, and easy to manage even when multiple people are involved. From the outside, the Twin 600 SPT family keeps things simple, but very purposeful. It doesn't rely on bold styling or aggressive design to stand out. Instead, it focuses on proportions, usability, and everyday practicality. The size is one of its biggest advantages. It's compact enough to handle urban environments, tight parking spaces, and narrow roads, yet large enough to support a full family setup inside. This balance is not easy to achieve, but here it's done well. The sliding door on the side provides quick and effortless access to the living area. This becomes especially useful during travel, where convenience matters. Open it up, and the interior immediately feels more connected to the outside environment. Windows are positioned thoughtfully to allow natural light in while still maintaining privacy, something that becomes important when traveling with multiple people. At the rear, the double doors open wide, providing access to storage and the sleeping setup. This also creates an additional lifestyle feature, allowing you to sit at the back, relax, and enjoy your surroundings. Everything about the exterior is designed for real use, not just appearance. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how well the space is organized. For a campervan designed for families, this is essential, because once you have multiple people inside, layout becomes everything at the front. The driver and passenger seats rotate to face the living area. This transforms the cockpit into part of the usable space, instantly making the interior feel larger. The seating area is compact, but it works. It creates a place where everyone can sit together, whether it's for a meal, a conversation, or simply a short break. The table is positioned centrally, making it accessible without getting in the way. It's practical, stable, and designed for everyday use. During the day, natural light enters through the windows, making the space feel more open than its size suggests, and in the evening, the lighting changes the atmosphere completely. Soft, warm lights create a calm and comfortable environment, turning the campervan into a relaxing space after a long day. This isn't about luxury, it's about making a small space feel usable, comfortable, and easy to live in. The kitchen follows the same philosophy. Practical, efficient, and easy to use, everything here is designed with purpose. You get a cooking area with a gas stove and a sink, covering the essentials needed for daily meals. The counter space is limited, but it's arranged in a way that allows you to use it effectively. You don't need a large kitchen. You need a functional one. Storage plays a big role here. Cabinets and drawers are placed strategically to hold utensils, groceries, and everyday items. Everything has its place, which becomes very important in a compact environment. The refrigerator adds another level of convenience. It allows you to store fresh food, plan meals ahead, and stay independent during longer trips. For families, this setup works well. It supports basic cooking needs without adding unnecessary complexity. This is where the Twin 600 SPT family really sets itself apart. Unlike many compact campervans, this one is designed with multiple occupants in mind, and that changes everything. The sleeping arrangement is flexible, allowing different configurations depending on how many people are traveling. The main sleeping area provides a comfortable space for rest. It's designed to be supportive and practical, ensuring you can recover properly after a long day on the road. Additional sleeping spaces are integrated into the layout, making it possible to accommodate more people without completely sacrificing comfort. This is not an easy thing to achieve in a campervan of this size, but here, it's handled intelligently. Storage around the sleeping area is also well thought out. Overhead cabinets keep personal items organized and within reach. Underbed storage provides space for larger items like bags, gear, or equipment. The goal here is simple: make sure everyone has a place to sleep and a place to store their essentials. The bathroom continues the theme of efficiency and practicality. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a compact shower area, all integrated into a small but functional space. It's not large, but it's designed to work. Everything is positioned carefully to make daily routines manageable. Whether it's getting ready in the morning or freshening up after a long day, the space supports your needs. Storage compartments help keep toiletries organized and easily accessible. And most importantly, having a bathroom on board adds a huge level of independence. You're not dependent on campsites or public facilities. You can travel freely, stop where you want, and stay where you feel comfortable. For families, this becomes even more important. On the road, the twin 600 SPT family feels controlled and approachable. Its compact size makes a noticeable difference in everyday driving situations. City streets, parking areas, and tighter roads become easier to handle. The visibility from the driver's seat is clear, helping maintain confidence in different environments. Even on longer drives, the Campervan remains stable and comfortable. This makes it suitable not just for short trips, but for extended travel as well. It's a vehicle that adapts to different driving conditions without feeling difficult to manage. At the end of the day, travel isn't just about the destination. It's about the experience along the way. The moments you create, the places you discover, and the freedom to move at your own pace. The Adria Twin 600 SPT family is designed to support exactly that kind of journey. A practical, family-friendly campervan that turns simple travel into something more flexible, more comfortable, and more meaningful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more campervan tours and travel inspiration. And until next time, keep exploring, keep moving, and keep making every road part of your story.